We're going to go ahead now and test for our calcium hardness. The ranges we're shooting for this is 250 to 350 parts per million. I've gone ahead and filled up my pool water up to the 25 mLs. And I'm going to go ahead and follow the directions for calcium hardness. First thing it asked me to do is to add 20 drops of our 0010 in Swirl. Make sure that's swirled up well. And then it asks for 5 drops of our 0011L. And this is a blue dye. And as you can see, it turns the color to kind of a pinkish red. Okay, next we're going to add our 0012, and we're going to add this in while we're swirling, and we're going to count the amount of drops it takes for the sample to turn from the pinkish red to blue. And we're going to count the drops. So that was about 20 drops. So 20 times 10 is about 200, and that is pretty close to about the ranges that we're looking for. You can review the cheat sheet that we're giving you as to how you could increase your calcium hardness.